Add a favicon, also known as a browser icon, to make your site recognizable in a browser full of tabs or bookmarks. To add a favicon, navigate to the Favicon panel. You can upload an image by clicking and dragging the image into the upload box, or clicking the upload box and selecting an image from your computer. You can also add an alternative version of your favicon that displays when your visitors view your site in dark mode. It's not possible to add a dark mode favicon without first adding a default favicon. Favicon images work best when formatted as a PNG file, sized between 100 pixels by 100 pixels and 300 pixels by 300 pixels, though they display at 16 by 16 pixels. After your favicon image uploads, click Save. We recommend clearing your browser cache and refreshing your browser to see the favicon update, as browsers can be persistent in holding on to cached favicon. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.